people were promising all week that this snowstorm was going to go south of us. Well, you can see where it is. We came up yesterday, actually no, the night before, and there was a couple carpenters here trimming out some of the screen room, and George the electrician showed up, and he actually got stuck in the driveway, and they did not finish what they had intended to do. I think his boy may be back today. You can see some of the inside of the screen room is done. Somebody going down Brook Road right now. I brought up a little wood on Thursday night, but the windows and doors need to be open somewhat to fire that stove for the first time. So I probably will not do that this weekend. Let's go in and take a look around here. Not a lot going on. Humidifier on the wood stove. The inside more or less just as we left it last week. Some of the pine siding on the screen room. We'll take a run out there. We actually got some trash in the sink. Looks nice, huh? What are you doing in my screen room?
My screen room. You didn't want it.
Alright. Alright. Most of the inside trim done on the screen room. V-board on the walls. Beadboard on the ceiling. Paddle fan and light not there yet. Stalker. Sunny day. No deer today. Other than that, the inside's same as we left it. I tried to set up a wireless printer, but I needed a printer cable and it did not come with it. Everything else the same. Sue is sent for some curtain swatches, different material types that are supposed to be coming this week, so we can start thinking about curtains and all. Alright. That was basically it. Take a little run down to the brook maybe. See what it looks like. Things moving right along. We're getting there. I actually probably would be okay walking on Ledge Trail today, but instead I'm going to go out back here, see what it looks like. Brought my chainsaw. Thought maybe I'd cut some of the stuff out of the way today. Oops. There's some snow stuck to the trees coming down. Would have rather this snow held off, but it does not make any difference. But I would rather it did. So we will just have to deal with it. I can hear the brook running fairly good. I hate hunting on days like this. You get all wet from the snow falling off the trees. There's a log there, it needs to get cut with a chainsaw. Squirrel tracks. No deer tracks. Yeah, Brook's running a pretty good clip. Old deer must be holed up somewhere. No squirrel tracks. Yeah, when you hunt on a day like today, all of that snow starts falling off the trees and get you real wet. This was that area where there was a lot of deer sign. And I don't see where anything has been through here. All right, that was about it for today. I just wanted to do a quick one. See what, pretty well on our way. There was supposed to be more furniture showing up here at the end of this next week. So that should just about wrap it up here, except for the outside landscaping. So all for now.